In this video, I will show you how to add Klarna to Whop. To get started, go ahead and open Whop on your device. It can be on the website version or the mobile app version of Whop. Now make sure that you're signed in into your Whop account. So go ahead and scroll down on your sidebar and click on your icon. Now on your icon, click on your name and that will redirect you into this pop-up. On your profile, go ahead and hit on the settings button at the top right corner of your screen and that will take you into the settings page of Whop. So go ahead and hit on that settings button at the top right, head over into the payment info section and click on add payment method. So in here you need to enter the details of your Klarna account, and after that you need to authorize the connection and payment between your Klarna account and your Whop account, and that's basically how you can add Klarna to Whop. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.